Alright, let's show you how to get to the battery in your motion detector. First thing you need to do is open up the little compartment here at the top. You may need a screwdriver to kind of pry that up. Once you lift that up, you're going to see a set screw in here that we need to loosen up. You don't need to remove it. Once that's loosened, you should be able to pull the whole face of the detector away from the back plate on the wall. When you flip that over, you're going to see the battery that sits inside here. Take the old battery out. You're going to need a replacement. This is a 3-volt lithium battery that's a 123A. When you get the new battery, place the battery back in following the orientation listed here. And you're going to reattach it to the back plate starting at the bottom. Kind of hinges together towards the top. When you clip that together, go ahead and tighten your set screw back up, close the compartment, and you're good to go.